Guys, it's Katie Slime Store and welcome back to our channel. So today we received this package. It is some fruit charms. So we did order fruit charms like 2 days ago and it got here today. Yeah, so let's just open it up. Okay. So right here are the charms. They come with the bag open. Nothing else in here. These are super cute. And then I'm just gonna like line them up to show you everything. Okay guys, so right here are all of the charms as you guys can see. So it did come with plenty of charms. So all of them are really cute, and I did see the reviews and there weren't many good reviews, but I think these are absolutely great. I really like these and I'm pretty sure that I will be using them a lot for slime. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys later and bye.